Hi, I am Prabhat. I am an artist based in Delhi. I have been resident of Delhi for over 15 years. Delhi is a city made up of many cities. It has been built and rebuilt so many times over in the past centuries. And it continues to evolve that way. It is a city always under construction. It is a city always expanding, horizontally, vertically, diagonally. My art practice over the years has been an attempt to capture and play with the state of everything being constantly under construction. I often use construction material in my work, particularly discarded construction material such as rubble, cement, old bricks, and debris. I feel that all materials have a consciousness of their own. They have a memory. Each brick bears memories and marks of its usage. I am interested in the way materials take their own form when they interact with other materials. I am also interested in what happens when things disintegrate and then get reintegrate into other forms. When you see urban environments in this way, everything starts appearing fluid even though the materials used as solid. Since 2016, I started looking at the most basic building block of all construction materials, the brick. It is an element of architecture that provides stability. It becomes the foundation for all built structures. In my studio, I began experimenting with the fluidity in this material. To even begin working with this material, I had to change my entire studio infrastructure. My work develops over a long period of time and with a number of helping hands together with whom we rework this material. The diagram of unformed desires, the perforated earth series, the settlement series, and pair of works in movement, in stillness are all direct experiments with brick and brick dust. For Fugitive Dust, curated by Sabi Ahmed, I have been in conversation with him about how dust that rises from construction sites and demolition drives never settles. This dust is very connected to construction. Its thickness, the air we breathe, forms clouds in the sky, sediments into the earth's crust and flows into water bodies before returning back into construction sites. A city is a continuous cycle of solid, liquid, and gaseous states. At Vida Haidari Contemporary, I am pleased to present works I have been making from 2016 to 2021.